In this video, I'll show you how to search GitHub for code. Searching GitHub for code is useful when you want to find examples, study how other developers solve problems, explore open source projects, or locate specific functions, files, and libraries. First, go to GitHub and sign into your account. You can search without signing in, but being logged in may give you a better experience and access to more features. At the top of the page, click the search bar. Type the keyword, function name, file name, error message, or code snippet you want to find. For example, you can search for something like login form React, Python calculator, or the name of a specific function. After entering your search, press enter. GitHub will show results from repositories, code, issues, pull requests, discussions, and users. To focus only on code, click the Code tab near the top of the results page. Now you can browse through the matching files. GitHub will usually highlight the part of the file that matches your search. Click any result to open the full file and review the surrounding code. You can make your search more accurate by using filters. For example, type language:python to search only Python code, or extension:JS to search JavaScript files. You can also search inside a specific repository by opening that repository first and using its search bar. When reviewing code, always check the project quality. Look at the README file, recent updates, number of stars, and whether the code is well organized. This helps you avoid using outdated or unreliable examples. Also remember that code on GitHub may have a license. Before copying or reusing code in your own project, check the repository license and give credit when required. Using GitHub search properly can save time, help you learn faster, and show you real-world examples from open source developers. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.